Namaskar children, hope you all are doing well and you are staying at home. Yes, and also you must be doing your homework which all other ma'ams are giving you. Even my subject, you are doing your work very neatly in your notebooks. Yes, quickly let's begin with a new chapter today, that is chapter number 5 of English grammar, that is noun, singular and plural, page number 22. Okay, so children, we have read earlier about the noun. So, what is singular and plural? Singular means what? One. Plural means what? More than one. Now, what does noun singular and noun plural means? Means that if a noun is what? Noun refers to a person, place, animal or a thing. It can be a singular or it can be in plural. Okay, so let's begin this lesson in a detailed manner. So children, those who are having their books can open page number 22. We will read it, okay? And those who are not having the book can go through this PPT what I have made it, okay? So what is so now noun singular and plural. Noun can refer to one or more than one person, animal, place or thing. Example, boy, dog, house, flower, etc. Okay. Now what is singular and plural noun? The nouns that names only one person, animal, place or thing is called singular nouns. Okay. For example, girl, cat, park, table, etc. The nouns that names more than one person, animal, place or thing is called plural noun. Means what? If there is one or more person, animal, place or thing, they are called what? Plural nouns. Example, girls, cats, parks, table, etc. To make them plural, what we need to do? We need to add s to make them plural. We are adding just s to the nouns. Okay. So children, there are many rules of this in singular and plural. Let's see the rules. We add es to the nouns that end in ch, sh, o, s, ss, x and z to make them plural. Means what? The noun which ends with these letters, we need to add es to make them plural. See the example. Bench, it is ending with ch. So we are adding only es to make bench plural. So it is benches. Dish, it is ending with sh. Dishes. Mango, mangoes. Bus, buses. Dress, dresses. Box, boxes. Quiz, quizzes, etc. Nouns ending in y, we change y and add ies to make them plural. Means what? The words, the nouns which are ending with y, we will remove this y and we will add ies to make them plural. Example, see, lady, ladies, baby, babies, city, cities, etc. Now the third rule, nouns ending in y with a vowel before it, we add only s to make them plural form. If the noun is ending with y but before that y there is a vowel, so we will only add s to the nouns. Example, boy, boys, key, keys, day, days. Here boy, the word is ending with, the noun is ending with y, but before it there is a vowel. So we will add only s. Same here, e is a vowel, a is a vowel. Okay, so we are going to add only s to these types of noun. Now there is one more rule. Nouns ending in o, we add es to make them in plural form. Example, hero, heroes, tomato, tomatoes, etc. Now again, if the noun is ending with O but there is vowel before it, again we will add only S to make them plural. Radio, again I before O there is I. So I is a vowel. So radios we will only add S. Zoo, zoos, etc. But there are some exceptionals also, some exceptional nouns also. Photo, photos. Piano, piano. But they are not ending with vowel. They are ending with ending with vowel O, but before it there is a consonant. But it is a exceptional words. We change VES to the nouns ending in FE or F. If the words are ending with FE or F, we remove F or FE and put VES to make them plural. Again, some exceptions are there here also. Chief, chiefs. Proof, proofs, etc. Some nouns have the same form in singular and plural. For example, sheep, sheep. Deer, deer, etc. Few nouns, singular nouns, form their plural by changing the inside vowel or vowels. If there is a vowel here, you can see in the example, tooth, double O, O is a vowel, it changes to teeth. Man, A again is a vowel, it changes to men. Okay, so these are the examples of this. Now children, you are going to read this lesson, page number 22, 23, 24, okay, and little bit of 25. You are going to read this first and I'll give you few exercise, simple exercise you need to do in your copy or notebook if you are having in a neat way. And in my next video, we'll continue with the same chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.